present mixed together, where would I be? If I had studied medicine, I would be a doctor now. But I chose music instead, and that's why I'm singing this vow. If I hadn't missed the bus that day, I wouldn't be here with you, no way. Mixed conditional, changing the time, a past mistake, a present crime. If you were smarter, you wouldn't have done it. Mixing the second and third, the strangest song you've ever heard. If I hadn't spent all my money, I would be rich today. If she liked him, she would have called him anyway. If I weren't afraid of the dark, I would have walked through the park. Mixed conditional, changing the time, a past mistake, a present crime. If you were smarter, you wouldn't have done it. Mixing the second and third, the strangest song you've ever heard. Type 3 plus type 2, if past perfect, then would plus infinitive. Type 2 plus type 3, if past simple, then would have plus participle. Mix it up. If I hadn't met you, I would be lonely now. But I did, and I'm happy. Yeah.